So now we're gonna do the same, but now we're gonna put a condition from 0 to 10, right? So the conditional will be like this. So let's say we have number 1 already, the user already typed, and we want to check it is between 0 to 10. So there are two ways to do here. We can do like this. So here, if this condition is true, continue. This condition is not true, finish the program. That's what we're gonna do. Or we can put no and yes. It's up to you how to want to write this. Or even more general, we can put here if num is between 0 to 10. So also you can use test. This is for flowchart, so we can do it more general. In pseudocode, we're gonna type if the condition, we can do this. Then we can put here then the line of code here. So in this case, we're gonna finish the program. And then we put n if. So this is how we're gonna write this in pseudocode. Or here, if you want, you can do it more common for code, like this, and we have an number 1 less equal to 10. So we can write the condition like this or like this. So let's move back to the code. Okay, so here we want the if after the user type the number. So let's do like this just to make it more easy to understand. So this is our main code, and so here number 1, we ask the user type a number 0 to 10. And this is like this. So we have this line already here, type a number, this one. Now we want the if. So we do like this, if condition. So in this case we need to do this, greater than 0 and num1 less equal to 10. We open, close. So if this is true, it should work. It is false. So yeah, sorry for that, I forgot. So if this is false, we need to finish the program. It is true, nothing happens because it's okay. So for this, we need to negate, and with this, we negate the condition. So here, let's negate the condition. So we close this and we negate. So here we are negating. So if this is true, it will become false, and we need to finish the program. To finish the program, in here in C# we need to put return, so it will break the program and it won't continue with the next one. Okay, that's all for num1. Now for num2, let's copy this, let's paste it here. Now we change this to num2, return, then we do the result multiplication. So now we have the condition, then we start. Let's see what happens. So let's type just to make it work at the first time. Result is 2, but now let's make it finish the program, right? So 20, and our program finished because it doesn't fulfill the condition. Now let's use else. So if we use else, we put here else. So if this is our number is more than 10 or less than 0, let's type something to the user, print, you type. So in this case it is okay, we can just print to the user, no, we don't need to print anything because then we make the program weird, but let's make it just for you to understand this. So we can put print, yeah, let's print something just to make it more interactive. Okay, so print okay, something simple. And here let's add another print and we put ROM value. But that's it, the ROM value. So let's go to our code, and before return we print, and we have console write line ROM value. Copy this for the number 2. So if this is okay, we open close bracket in C#. This is how we write if here, and inside we're gonna print also console write line, and we're gonna print okay, just to show you how if is working, and elif and else. So yeah, this is how we're gonna work with else. So if I type a number, it's tell me the number is okay, type number is okay, then result is 6. But what if I type a wrong number? It doesn't show me anything, so let's make it stop it here like this, and we're gonna tell the user, you type a wrong value, please type any key to finish, and after that it will finish the code. So it will execute one line by line, right? This first line, second line, third line. So let's run, let's type a wrong value now, 12. So it said it's a wrong value, type any key to finish. So now we make our program more interactive with the user, and we are using if and else. Now let's try to use elif.